I just turned my boring PDF into something that actually made people stop and stare. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing lifetime deal for FlipBooklets before it's gone. Let's be honest, PDFs are about as exciting as watching paint dry, aren't they? But what if you could transform them into something people actually want to look at? FlipBooklets lets you turn any PDF into an interactive, page-turning experience with just a few clicks. No tech skills needed, I promise. You get a drag-and-drop editor, mobile responsive designs, and custom branding options to make everything look dead professional. The best bit? AppSumo is offering a lifetime deal for just 59 quid. No monthly fees, no subscriptions, just pay once, and you're sorted. With over 100 reviews giving it 4.8 out of 5 stars, it's proper good. You can add your logo, track who's reading your flipbooks, and even collect leads directly through them. Whether you're creating catalogs, brochures, magazines, or educational materials, FlipBooklets makes them look mint. Don't miss out on this cracking deal. Click the link below to get your lifetime access to FlipBooklets today. Your boring PDFs? Well, thank you.